If you're curious about how to use your yoga strap and how to get more creative using this amazing prop, then this yoga video is for you. Hi, I'm Melissa from Yoga with Melissa. I offer real yoga for real people. We're all about connection with the teacher and teachings that allow you to connect with your true self and to a community of people who support each other on a genuine path of spiritual transformation. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications because in the month of January of 2018, I am putting out a brand new video like this every single day for our New Year 30-day yoga challenge. On day 15, it will be how to use a yoga block, lots of creative ways like the strap. On day 16, it will be how to use a yoga bolster. And on day 17, it will be how to use a yoga inversion swing. So if that sounds like something that interests you, then subscribe and press that little bell so you do not miss a single video in our 30-day challenge this month. Also, just a quick note to remind you to always press show more below the video because that's where I leave you lots of goodies and extra things in the show notes. So you should definitely check that out as well. Well, if you didn't know, I'm kind of the expert on YouTube on how to use a yoga strap. Back in April of 2014, I created a full-length 1-hour intermediate yoga class called Yoga with a Strap, and it's had almost 50,000 views, so it's kind of a mini viral video in the yoga world. And in this class, I show you 20 ways on how to use a yoga strap. So that's something that I link in the show more section that you might want to check out. Now today I'm going to show you how to use this yoga strap even if you are a beginner and in this yoga strap tutorial. And there will be a yoga strap pose for posture where you'll stretch your shoulders. There's an awesome yoga strap exercise that's going to be great for your hamstrings and your abdominals. And finally, I'm going to show you how to tie your yoga strap so that you can do poses with your yoga strap. Particularly, we're going to do a standing pose with a strap. So if you've been wondering how to do yoga with the strap, you're absolutely in the right place. So the first pose that we're going to do is Locust Pose or Salabhasana with the yoga strap. So how do you do it? Well, you lie on your belly, you wrap the full length of your strap around the balls of your feet, and you place the lengths of your strap along the side of your legs. Tuck your toes under, lift your chest, walk your hands back along the length of your strap, and lift your chest so you hold for 5 breaths. So the benefits of this pose is that it strengthens your core, your abdominals, and your back muscles. It stretches and opens your chest muscles. It tones your buttocks. It improves your posture. It strengthens your upper body, including your arms. It stretches and opens your shoulders. It strengthens your back muscles and helps back problems, including sciatica. And it improves your digestion by massaging your abdominal organs, and it also eases depression. The next pose is Reclined Staff Pose or Supta Dandasana with a strap. Now, make sure you know that this pose is not recommended if you have low back issues. I will show you a modification on how to do that if you have low back issues. So the way to do it is to create the longest loop possible with your strap. Lie down on your back. Place the strap around the top of your sacrum and the balls of your feet. Draw up through your pelvic floor and down through your navel to support your lower back, and then lengthen your legs up. Take your arms out to the side and relax your shoulders, and then breathe for 5 to 10 breaths. Now, to modify this, you want to do it with one leg straight and the other leg bent with your feet flat on the floor. This is for low back issues. Now, the benefits of this pose is that it tones your abdominals, it strengthens your core muscles, it will improve your digestion, it will improve posture, and it stretches and lengthens your hamstrings. The final pose I have for you today is Parsvottanasana, or standing forward folding triangle with a strap. The way that you do it is you're going to probably shorten the loop in your strap a little bit for the length of your legs, and then place the strap around the front of your left hip, step into the loop with the ball of your right foot, and take a step back. You want the strap to be tight enough so that it pulls the front of your left hip back a little bit. Both legs are straight, and you forward fold to the ground with your hands on a chair or the block or the ground, depending on your mobility through your hips and your hamstrings. The benefit is that it lengthens your hamstrings, it strengthens the legs, it improves balance and focus, and it improves digestion, and it'll calm your mind. So if you're looking for more, then you can go to melissawest.com/backpain, and I will send you 8 days of back pain help with yoga. I'll send you one video for 8 days for the best yoga, Ayurveda, self-massage, pranayama, breath practices to help you with your back. Now, if you made it all the way to the end of the video, I love you guys. Then put great ideas for a yoga strap in the comments, and I'll know you made it all the way to the end. Thank you so much for pressing that like button. And if you know somebody who would benefit from this video, thanks so much for sharing it with them as well. Remember to subscribe so you can get our video tomorrow on how to use a yoga block with lots of creative ways like this. Namaste.